guys, so my box fits really well. I just need to shave down on the insides a little bit to fill in this small gap. You can barely see it. But wherever it's fitting snug, I'm just gonna take it down so that it looks like this, where there's no gap. Just a little bit of gap there, so a little bit to work on. Okay, I'll show you what I'm doing, I suppose. So wherever it's touching hard is where it's not allowing it to fully seed down. So I'm going to clean up in those areas. Right there a little bit. Well, I'm going to have to whack this one. Yeah, I just had to find out.
Oh, they all got on? Woo!
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I just took it apart.
Good for you. I'm storing them apart because he said if you store it together and it swells, then they're kind of stuck.
Stuck together.
So he said, look at the forecast. I said, no, I'm laying mine with stickers. I'm not taking a chance. Yours is beautiful.
Thank
Mine
you.
just, it fits together, but it's not clean like that. You know, my things.
I have some small gaps that I need to clean
I have
up.
like 2 or 3 gaps. Not bad though. Actually, I was shocked. 3 out of the 4 went on the first time, which is unheard of.
2 of mine didn't. I was happy.
The 4th one, I could see it. There was one spot that had, I could see the tape. I wasn't even close to the tape. And as soon as I took that off, then it was fine. Like you can tell right away where it's like too big.
I had a piece of tape stuck to one of my lids and I had to, it was keeping it from going down. I'm like, what?
Yeah, it doesn't take much to keep it from going down. Like this much wood and it won't go down, you know?
And a little bit of sawdust.
So they look great.
Yeah, I'm pretty
After
happy.
Jeff is done, then we can plane. I poured all our wood in, and then we can plane in. One's 5/8 and one's a half an inch. They're different 5/8. And that's what they
I
told
got a
me.
cheat sheet.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, half inch and 5/8.
0.625.
And a half inch should be
500.
0.5. Oh yeah, like 50 cents. I do good on like 0.75 because of quarters. 0.25 is a quarter, 0.50 is a half, 0.75 is 3/4, and then 1 is 4/4. So I do good on quarters is the 1/8 I have.
For you viewers at home, that's about an inch. I saw you. So how's it going?
Practicing the grinding stone. After all that maple, I gotta sharpen, you know. So
All right.
trying to keep the floor down, pins, and they're not going. And it's just.
I got some fine tuning to do on mine still. That's good. Everyone's saying mine look good though, and I'm like,
I gotta
I'm
take
not
it out.
happy.
You're not happy?
Oh yeah, I got.
Chisels or the board?
It's just it looks sloppy to me.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm working over there on the chair table.
Nice. I like that thing.
Yeah, it is nice. I just want to tell you, you did an excellent job on that table over there. I've been using it and it's working great.
I didn't do that thing.
You did? It has your name on it.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the workbench?
Yes.
Yes, the chairmaker's workbench. I did make that.
Excellent job. Thank you. Teamwork makes the dream work. Jeff and Joanne are an awesome team to have. I don't need this. I'm not hitting anything. I'm doing gentle strokes. Gentle touches. Time to clean up, guys. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up.
Time of the day.
Did you have a cleaning song when you were in school for the kids? No?
We didn't clean up. I was junior high. Every 42 minutes the bell rang, so there was no cleanup.
It was just always a mess.
plastic, but no, the custodians cleaned.
Earning their pay. It's like hair. Oh well.
We felt horrible.
It's okay.
Not enough for her to trade you pieces, but we felt horrible.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll make do.
All right, good.
Thank you. Remill it. Let's do it.
the idea of this tenant starts going like individual and marking it out. Put this under here, this here. But this helps me level it out. So it's not wobbling all over. Nice secure spot. So I don't change the setting on the square. It's still at 5 3/4. But I've just brought it down a half inch. And I'm putting a little pencil mark here. And then you're going to do that the same everywhere. Okay? And I'll be right back with some straight.
You flip it and reverse it. Be careful. Yep.
Easy. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, the straightest line you've ever seen.
Never.
Excellent work, Ronnie. Boom.
More power.
This thing rocks.
It's wobbling quite a bit.
Not in a good way. Not in a Bill and Ted way.
Check the bottom and see if it went through all the way. Yeah, so we gotta lower it. Check that.
Yeah.
Redo that first one.
You bet I will. Right in the hole. The less chisel, the better. How's it going? Good. Lots of little holes. We're making progress. Yep. Next thing I'm gonna do is cut a bunch of little holes like you've seen everyone else doing. I'm gonna get this done. I don't know how much I'll be able to film, because I'm going to need to use most of this space and my camera set up on the tabletop here, so we'll see what we can do. Do you have anything you want to say to the viewers before you go?
Happy Thanksgiving.
There it is. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Good break. Good break from the shop.
We're not going to be in the shop next week. I'll still be doing a video though. I got lots of footage to edit.
See ya.
How you doing today, Zach?
Pretty good. Yourself?
Not too bad. Do you have anything to say to the viewers at home?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Rami is still down here romulating.
Just trying to turn these novices into.
Well, Sam Beauford, as always, it's been most excellent. Until next time, I'm Eddie Grable. I'll see you later.